Today, I want to talk about a topic that has been on everyone's mind, the current work environment in corporations. As you can see, this huge office only has a few people. Not because everyone is working from home, it's because of the current trend in the corporate world. While cutting employees may seem like a win for the company, it's not so great for the remaining workers, causing burnout and decimating morale. With fewer employees, the workload increases, and it's becoming harder and harder to keep up with the demands. So, what can be done? Be able to automate tasks where you can. It's becoming more and more essential for workers to use automation tools to help them get their jobs done efficiently. How, you may ask? A lot of the current automation tools, such as Microsoft's Power Automate, were designed by software engineers for, you guess it, software engineers. You basically have to have some sort of programming background to use them. This leaves many job seekers left to compete for the pay-for-labor type jobs, meaning they only get paid for the hours they are physically present for versus getting paid for the work that has been completed. This is why we created the DIYDataEntry utility to provide an automation tool that is effective and easy to use for the non-tech, allowing them to offer a valuable service to local businesses in the community. Businesses are always looking for ways to save time and money. The DIYDataEntry utility is a cut-and-paste Excel to any UI automation. It is intuitive, requiring basic point and clicks to configure it, kind of like a Polaroid. No experience required. Once you configure and set it to run, it will do the cut-and-paste data entry task for you. You can set it and forget it. There is even an add-on available in the full version that can send you a text when it has completed running with its time and the number of rows processed details, making it a great part-time side hustle tool, allowing you to offer this service to multiple clients simultaneously, thus allowing you to get multiple paychecks. This is a way you can work smarter, not harder. For more information, check out our blog, www.DIYDataAutomate.blogspot.com.